Our next page is the debt information. Now, when a borrower will not give you their Social Security number and you haven't been able to import, for example, from your LOS, the Fannie Mae file, you'll actually have to take and enter the debt manually, which is not a big deal, so don't panic, okay? This only takes a few minutes, and believe it or not, you can get this entire application done in 7 to 15 minutes. So let's go in here and just edit. This happens to be a car auto loan. Simple, assign it to which borrower it happens to be, the BMW financing account number, monthly payment, current balance. They may know, or ask them to pull out a statement and tell them. If they know the high credit limit, that's a great thing, and simply hit save. Now from there, you can see we have a few other, revolving credit cards. It's the same type of thing. Simply go in here and pick out what type of debt it is, and which is important for importing and exporting of loans. Now also here, for example, we've listed what the debt to income is for 5 different loans. So you can come back in and reference this page to see where you're actually at. Now, if they have to pay off debt, that's important to understand. So, and they may have to pay off debt, and it's going to depend upon the interest rate, how much lender credit you can use in order to actually pay off debt. In that particular situation, you can manipulate each one of these 5 loans independently, and as you can see down here at the bottom, the debt to income ratio changes. So it's really important to understand this. If you want to add an additional account, you can. Simply put in your information, make your selection of who it belongs to, what type of debt it is, and then you're on to the next. Okay, so in this particular situation, remember, if you leave a page, LANIS is going to ask if you want to save that information so you don't lose your data. But again, it's really, really super important that you understand the debt situation. Now, this particular situation, for example, there's only 9.9 months left for an auto loan. Well, since it's less than 10, you could omit it from the debt to income ratio. It also gives you a range here of what the percentage of credit used. It's important because let's say, for example, you had 3 revolving accounts. They're at 24% or so, but you got one at 79. That higher use of actual credit means that their scores may not be as high as what they think they are. Little keys to help you price out your loan.